Welcome, good citizen. Boy, have you made some good decisions in your life, but none as good as picking this video. Because today we're going to create something so out of the box that it might leave you speechless. You'll see what I did there. Let's go! Holy cantaloni, that was a lot of fun to make. If you want to see an even cooler nature-themed creation that I've Frankenstein together, click the tile on the screen now. I think it's even better than the one you just watched. See you there.